Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today we continue our course in JavaScript fundamentals. In this course, we'll try to answer some the most famous JavaScript questions that you may face in your interviews that are related to JavaScript. If this is something that sounds interesting for you, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a thing. So let's try today's video. We have today's question. We have what are the differences, or what is the difference between let and var? So basically, let and var are both keywords used for variable declarations in JavaScript, but they have significant differences in terms of scope and behavior. And let's just try to talk about them. First, let's talk about scope. So first, the let var is a function scope, and the let have what is called a block scope. So the let variables declared with let have a block scope, which means they are confined to the block in which they are defined. They are not accessible outside the block. Var variables declared within something called var have a function scope or global scope, depending on where they are defined. They are accessible throughout the function or the global within the entire script. So for example, if I just have if true and I just have let x equals 10 and var y equals 20, if I try to cancel the log y, which its variable declared was var, if I don't cancel the log x, which variable declared with let, I will get reference error. If I do this with y, I will get the value. I will get 20 directly. This is first. The second, I want to talk about the hoisting. Basically, let variables declared within let are hoisted, but they are not initialized. They are in a temporarily dead zone until the point of declaration, and trying to access them before declaration results a reference error. The four variables declared within var are hoisted to the top of their containing function or script, or and are initialized with undefined. This can sometimes lead to unexpected behavior. So for example, if I just create function, I will call it let's call it say hello, and I have var, and I just var here, and I'm cancel the log var. I'm trying to access var before it's been written. So because it's hoisted, all the declarations is being because it's hoisted, declaration are hoisted to the top of their containing function. So basically was undefined. So basically I'll get right now it's undefined. However, if I try to do the same with like let message 2 equals hello, that was let, and I just do the same, I'll get reference error, cannot access message 2 before initialization, because the let has something called the temporarily dead zone, which is you cannot access any variables before the line it's been declared. We have the global object property. Like let variables declared within let do not become properties of the global objects, like window, something like that, and the var variable declared within var become properties of the global object when declared in the function. Other thing that we could talk about, which is okay, so there are three main things. First, the function scope and the hoisting. This one, it's the main two things here: the function scope, the scope, and the hoisting. This is the main two things that we want to talk about, and that's it for today's video. And I hope you like my content. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a video, and see you guys in future problems.